Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to unboxing the new Redmi 9i. It's available with the 4 GB RAM and 500 mAh battery, 13 MB rear camera, 5 MB front camera, 2 octa-core processor, and we can start for unboxing. This is a phone look. It's medium sized phone, not too large, not too big. It's looking big in front screen. This is the good phone. Look at. If from Redmi, we can test this here and we can check what is the installation. This is SIM cutter, and we get a warranty card, and we get a charger here. Not mentioning where is the charger. Huh. The watt is not mentioning. It's interesting. Remove this tempered glass. Let's switch on the bulb. For me name. Let's complete the setup first. This is the phone look like. Setup is completing very quick time. The phone look like this after completing setup. That is very smooth, no problem. Front camera is average. I think front camera is average and back camera looking stunning. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.